Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're opening up another Boxx subscription for November. So let's get in and let's get into the subscription. All right guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up another Boxx subscription. The beauty of this subscription, if you don't know, this is a period subscription. So for the ladies who are experiencing their monthly, if you ever want to treat yourself, this is the box that you want to do it. So if you don't know, Boxx is a monthly period subscription. They have a ton of different subscriptions. I'll put their information and a coupon code for those of you who are curious in the description and blog below, so you guys can check that out. But what they do is if you ever want to treat yourself for that time of the month, this is how you want to treat yourself. So this is actually the adult mini box that we're opening, but they have a variety. You guys can totally check that out on their blog or their website and see what they have to offer. So again, this is for November. This is how it comes packaged. So she usually, the owner of the company, it's awesome because they have a Facebook group and you can kind of choose the items that may be featured in upcoming boxes. So she does every surveys every so often. I found so far, this is my second box. So far I've taken a couple surveys on things that may be in a box or feature box, things that we might be interested. So I kind of dig that because subscription boxes normally don't give you any options. It's like, okay, you're gonna get what you're gonna get. So the owner of the company definitely does that. She's interactive in the Facebook group. So this is what it looks like in each month. So far, I've gotten like a different sticker of what was covered on my box. So, and every month there is a theme. So let me see what is in this box. And I'm sure it's like a cold theme because you guys know it is winter. I'm in Texas, so it's not like that serious winter, but when I used to live in New York, it was serious business up here. So I know it's gonna get cold. So this is, just to give you guys an idea, this is what it looks like here. So we're gonna take a look and see what is in the box. So that's what it looks like there. So I have no idea what's in here. So let me see. Okay, so I'll put this to the side because I think this might have to do with the product. It says warming eye mask, flannel, loofah soap, and additional goodies. So, well, this might be about it. Okay, so after a long, stressful day, no, I think this has to do with the product. So we're gonna put that to the side just in case. Okay, so again, this is to make you feel comfortable for that monthly due that we all have to deal with right now. So the very first thing I have here, and I totally hide this from my family so they can't touch it. So the very first thing I have here is from Cookie Thins. This is Thinster Vanilla Bean cookies. Super excited. And then we have a vegan 3 butter loofah soap. So it's called Cozy Flannel. And that actually smells really, really good. So this one is, let me see, this is from Dallas Soap Company. So you guys can see that there. So this is handmade soap, is made with not 1, not 2, but 3 moisturizing buffers. Cocoa butter is high in fatty acids that hydrates and nourishes skin improving elasticity. So the fat in cocoa butter forms a protective barrier over skin to hold in a moisture. Shea butter has high concentrations with fatty acids and vitamins that soften your skin. So it also has anti-inflammatory, healing, and toning properties for your skin. Mango butter is also known as a rich moisturizer for its soothing and healing properties. The vitamin C boosts and brightens skin, and the vitamin A increases its youthful appearance and reduces fine lines. I'm definitely digging that because I've never tried, I'll be honest, I've never tried a loofah soap before, so I can definitely give that a try. The next item here is a natural lip balm, and this is in hot chocolate. So that is really cool. That is really cool and this actually says almond oil, beeswax, sunflower oil, natural flavors, vitamin E. So let's just say it's super natural. Okay. And then the next item we have here is from, Sweater Weather. This is a shower steamer, and I totally smell this, and it smells really good. Okay, I don't have any information on the shower steamer, but you guys know how shower steamer work. You place this, just in case you don't, you place the steamer on the shower floor, off to the side, allow the water to hit the steamer for the fragrance to diffuse into the steam. Not for soaking or bathing. So this is just meant for the shower. I love it because I mainly take showers. I really should take a bath, but well, I do take a bath, but I don't have time to take, like the normal bath to just relax there. So that's okay. And then the next item we have here is sleepmask.com. So this actually is a self-heating eye mask, which will, okay, that's crazy. I'm not gonna open it because I feel like if I open it, I'm not too sure if this is like a one-time use. Yeah, and it has jasmine and iron powder, so I'm not gonna open that up just in case this is like, it says open and unfold your mask, gently place your sky mask over your eyes, look around your eyes. Within a couple minutes, you'll feel your super mask heat up, drift off, return to the planet, reconnecting. So drift off. Okay, so the warmth comes alive as soon as you open it. So make sure that you fully reclined and ready to lift off. So yeah, I'm glad I did not open it because this looks like, it seems like if I open it, it's over. So we're not going to bed yet. So that's why we're not opening it up. Okay, the next item I may actually need to get right now because I'm hungry. So maybe I shouldn't open this box when you're hungry. So this is from, who is it? Heyman's Finest. And this is vanilla, Mitchell Sweet Vanilla Caramel Marshmallow. I'm totally digging into that one, and I can't wait for that one. All right, and the next item we have here is, and give me a second because we have like a bunch of little swirlies, so I'm trying to get it off so you guys can see. So these are like those comfy socks, if you guys can see that. Just trying to get those little squigglies off of it so it looks decent. Okay, so you guys know what this is, some fluffy socks. It's getting cold, so we all have to get comfy and comfortable. So who couldn't use another pair of comfy socks? Seriously, even though it doesn't get winter here in Texas, I still use this around the house because I don't wear slippers mainly in the winter. I usually wear these socks. So I would definitely get use out of that. And then, of course, making sure there's nothing else here. So of course, we have the products that we need. They always put it in a package, and then there's also, they give you Advil and they give you tea. So that is what it's here with the pads. So let us do a recap and see. The cool thing about it is I don't have to go to the store. Sometimes when you were young, you're probably embarrassed to go to the store, even though you can totally use a checkout. But I like this because I don't even have to worry about forgetting any month because it comes shipped to me. So let us do a recap and see what is in here. So of course we have our essentials, which is what we need. We have our slipper comfy socks to get us comfortable. We have our Interstellar Relaxation Space sleeping mask. So we have that, and then we have our vanilla bean thin stir cookies. We have that so when we have our thing, and then we have vanilla caramel marshmallow. So we have that. We have our lip balm, super cool. And then we also have our the shower. What is this? A shower steamer. I almost forgot. This one really smells good. And then we also have our loofah soap, which was the vegan one. So what did you guys think about this month's this is the Boxx mini box. So what did you guys think of the Boxx mini box? If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. Or if you've tried it, definitely let me know in the comment section below. This is my second box and I love it because it definitely gives me my comfort stuff every month. So with that being said, I'll have the coupon code on my blog and in the description box below if you guys want to check it out for yourself and save some money. But with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day and we'll see you on the next video. So have a good day, guys.